Hi Libras, welcome to your zodiac reading. So this is going to be a reading from for October 1st to the 15th. Um, and if you've been following my channel, you would know how I do these readings. So first I'll be looking at the current situation, and basis that I'll be looking at the outcome that you can expect in the coming 15 days. So how would you know this is resonating? If the present situation is something that you can relate to, then pretty much the outcome will also resonate with you. Okay? So let's see what's going on currently with you, Libras. What's going on with you currently, Libras? Six of Cups, Four of Cups, Page of Pentacles, Nine of Cups. Okay. Is somebody from the past trying to reach out to you? Alright, so here I'm seeing that there is someone from the past trying to reach out to you, but you're a little busy somewhere else, although this energy is there around you. Okay, now somebody from the past, this could be some sort of an offer coming your way from your past company, or this could also be a person who is trying to again reach out to you and talk to you. Okay, but I am seeing that you are not really very sure at this point whether you want to take this up or not. You're not very sure at this point. I am seeing that you have certain plans in your mind which you want to accomplish, and that's what you're moving towards. Um, you want to make certain things happen. Okay? I'm seeing that you want to either it's a business idea that you have or something which is just asking you to focus on yourself. Right now you're in that energy. However, this thing is knocking on your door. This could be either a person from the past or someone who wants to be in your life. Now, I don't know who this person is and why is this person coming back, but yeah, this person wants to be there. That's what I'm seeing. Now, if this resonates, let's see what you can expect in the coming 15 days. What can you expect in the coming 15 days? Libras. Four of Wands. You will finally figure out what is the stability that you're seeking. I think you still are, yeah. There is some new idea that is going to come to you, but there are going to be conflicts around it. Like maybe there are going to be people who will oppose it, there are going to be people who might not agree with you. Okay, but Don't listen to anything, because this is what you are going to feel stable doing for the rest of your life. Okay, I am seeing that this is something that you always wanted to do, and this will strike you. Finally, this whole thing will strike you, and you would know that yes, this is what I want to do. All right. But yeah, be mentally prepared. I'm actually seeing that there can be conflicts, and there will be conflicts. Okay, it's not like it's going to be a cakewalk, or it's going to be an easy ride. No, there are going to be conflicts here, which I clearly see, and the conflicts are going to be such that you might feel heartbroken by the end of it. You might feel shattered by the end of it. Okay. Now, if this resonates, now let me see an advice for you here, Libras. What is the advice for you here? Okay, I'll see if this card comes back again. What is the advice for you here? Come home to yourself. Stop being an escapist. Flower. Be honest with yourself. And morale. Be your own first priority. So here the basic message is loving yourself. Okay? You have to focus on yourself. The reason is that if you feel that, I think this idea, okay, when I said in the beginning only when I started, I feel that, okay, this can be a person reaching out to you, or this can be an old thing that you really loved doing, and now this is like becoming your life. And you're still thinking whether you should pursue this or not. Okay? So it's asking you as an advice here, Libras. What I'm seeing here is that be honest with yourself, one, okay, and stop escaping your own thoughts. Stop escaping your own thoughts. Allow yourself to blossom. Allow yourself to grow. Okay, that's what I'm seeing. All right, Libras, so that's what I have for you. I hope this reading resonates with you. Let me know in the comments. I'll wait to hear from you guys. And private readings are open, so you can reach out to me. And I will see you soon with more readings. Okay? Take care. Bye.